Emotional stress from sound can trigger brain inflammation and physical pain sensitivity. Pain isn't just physical. It can spread socially and emotionally through sound. A new study in mice revealed that hearing high-pitched squeaks emitted by other mice in pain can actually increase pain sensitivity and brain inflammation in nearby mice, even if they aren't hurt themselves. Just listening triggered activation of hundreds of genes related to inflammation and stress, making the mice more sensitive to touch and prolonging pain when inflammation was present. This response was confirmed as biological since anti-inflammatory drugs reduced the effect. Remarkably, this happened without any physical contact, sight, or smell, only sound, showing how social pain can be transmitted purely by hearing. These findings suggest that noisy, stressful environments could worsen pain and delay healing, highlighting the need for calm spaces in healthcare settings. Research paper, PMID 40632689.